Hi everyone, here is Teacher Frank for your weekly English lesson online. I hope you are fine and happy. Me, I'm fine and happy to be with you for this new lesson and new unit. So let's take a look on that first. We start today, Unit 6, our neighbors. Okay, so we started that together last week. So we will make a review and starting like this and make some reviews about vocabulary and some pronunciation. Okay, so we start with the beginning and obviously with your book, page 63. Look at the map. The Southeast Asia. Remember, we saw that in the classroom, okay? Southeast Asia. After that, we will make a short focus on the cardinal points. After that, with your book, page 64, make sentences with cardinal points and countries. And finally, with your book, page 65, countries and capitals. But I think that for this week, we will not have the time, okay, because the video will be too long. So I will keep that for next week and together in the classroom, okay, at school, by the way. So let's take a look on that. Okay, so look at the map, listen and repeat. So we will read the short text below. I start to read, then you follow me, okay? So take your time when you read, it's important. How many countries are there in Southeast Asia? Thailand is one of them. Thailand is bordered by Laos to the north, Malaysia to the south, Myanmar to the west, and Cambodia to the east. Are there other countries in Southeast Asia? Yes. Vietnam, the Philippines, Indonesia, Brunei Darussalam, Singapore, and Timor-Leste are also in Southeast Asia. Please find them on the map and talk to your friends about them. So the first thing that you will see and hear, obviously, is the sound TH. There is this sound everywhere in this text, and it's important to master and be able to use this sound properly. You must practice and practice often as possible in order to master that. Southeast Asia, north, south. Are there other? Southeast, everywhere. I take a look when I record the video. Please find them, about them every time. So don't forget, you must use your tongue and just press the edge of your tongue with your two front teeth. Don't push too much, just a little bit. And try to pronounce as often as possible words composed with the consonants TH. Okay? Important. We will practice at school. Don't worry about this. Okay, we continue now. And we will talk about the cardinal points. So take a look at this cross and repeat after me the cardinal points. North, northeast, east, southeast, south, southwest, west, northwest, and finally we come back to the north. These are cardinal points. Okay, now you can take a look both on the right and on the left. And just something, but I'm sure you know that already, but the sun rises in the east and sets in the west every time, every day, since millions of years. It's like this. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Okay, we continue with the countries. Okay, it's time to speak about the countries and the location of each country in Southeast Asia. So there are two examples. First, Myanmar is to the west of Thailand. Cambodia is to the east of Thailand. Now, take a look at the red rectangle. Let's make sentences with the others countries like Laos, Malaysia, Vietnam, the Philippines, Indonesia, Brunei Darussalam, Timor-Leste. As the two examples above make sentences for the others countries. So try to make sentences at the two examples, and after that we need for the answers. Here we go. So let's use the cardinal points and speak about the countries in Southeast Asia. Laos is to the north of Thailand. Malaysia is to the south of Thailand. Take your time with TH. Vietnam is to the east of Thailand. The Philippines are to the east of Thailand. Indonesia is to the south of Thailand. Brunei Darussalam is to the south of Thailand. And finally, Timor-Leste is to the south of Thailand. Okay, so here I made something simple because we can take a deeper look and said that it's southeast or southwest or northeast or northwest. Okay, I just test simple, but next time we will come back on that and be really how can I say the strictly correct answer. Okay, because here is just north and south, east and west. Okay, next week we will use all the cardinal points and we will be perfect on that. Okay, let's continue. I didn't check the time, so I don't know how many minutes it remains. Okay, so let's make a fast focus on that. Next week, we will have the time for that too. Look at the map. Listen to the questions and read the answers. Okay, so we don't have this, so we will make with me. What is the capital of Thailand? It's Bangkok. So in this chart, there are two columns. On the left, countries, and on the right, capitals. So you can prepare some sentences for next week, like, what is the capital of Laos? It's Vientiane, sorry. What is the capital of Myanmar? It's Naypyidaw, okay? So you can prepare something, and next week we will continue with that, okay? For this week, it will be enough. It's a lot of work. Okay, so for today, we stop. The lesson is over. So thank you to stay focused. See you at school next week. And next week, I will prepare a video for your online lesson. See you. Bye-bye.